Hello!
Wow!
Hey, everybody. Good to see you. It's another Monday night. We are here at Kiriko Taiko practice here in Fukui. And just been working with Ashley. Let me stand back a little bit more. On her uchi-dashi and her rhythm-uchi one. She's getting better, right? You're doing good. Yeah? And actually this year, I'm taking Ashley to her very first, well not her very first, but we're gonna go to the Wajima Kiriko Matsuri, the Wajima Taisai. And it's gonna be her first year actually participating, playing Taiko. She's gone to many Kiriko festivals, but as a Taiko player, it'll be her debut. So we're practicing really hard so she can blend in and play really well with all the other Kiriko Taiko players. All right, so we're gonna just show you a quick video, looping uchi-dashi and the rhythm-uchi one rhythm 3 times. All right, ganbarimashou.
Hi!
Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, Ashley, ready? Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, uchi-dashi, 1 time. Ooh, there's a bug. Okay, don't worry about the bug. Okay, uchi-dashi 1 time and rhythm-uchi 3 times. Okay? All right. Hai kamaite. Haisa! Hiya! Good job. Okay, so pretty good. You know, she's getting the rhythm. I think she's confusing some of the rhythms, rhythm-uchi 3, but she's she's doing good. So I hope you guys are enjoying these progress videos, and also if you want to, come and practice along with us by watching these videos. Okay, so we will see you next week, next Monday night. Bye. See you. Bye.